This video, we are just going to see the Jira portal. Okay, in many companies are using the Jira portal for their Scrum Master project. Okay, there are other services as well. That is another tool as well, which are same as Kanban board, but we are using the Scrum board for Scrum practices. Okay, some companies are using the Scrum ban board as well, that is somehow related and see looks like a scrum and the kanban boards. Okay, so there are some administration and those things, and other than that we are having one Confluence product as well in Jira, where we can go ahead and put some run books, some important documents, and other than the development progress of the each product, each section, and each deployments as well, release management documents. We can use these Confluence pages. Other than that, we can also use these Confluence pages for our retrospective meeting PDF creations and those things. Okay, other than that we are having other administrator and other many products are there. Okay, so in so let's go ahead and see how to create a project. Okay, when you are going to put in any project, okay, so they have already created in their use, and the administrator of the Jira, he will give you the access for that project directly. Okay, you are not going to create a project for your use. Okay, so this is a create project template where you can create a project name and other things, team type and those things, like you are from which background. Okay, so these are some details here, and you can go ahead and put the create project. So you can see while creating project, I have put the name, the key, the team type. Like I have selected it's from manufacturing domain, so I have put that team type. The channel access, you can see the restricted and open. Put open while creating so that administrator can easily put you in that. Then share some settings with an existing project. Then tick mark it. Otherwise, just create project. Okay, so don't think about the creation of the project, because it's already created, and you will get that project directly from the Jira admin. Okay, so after this you will get this project listed here. So whenever you will get assigned the project, just go through this project tab and you will get your project assigned. Just click on that, you will get the all details about your project. You can go you can go ahead and create your dashboard. I have created this dashboard so I can see it here. You can go ahead with the team creation as well. So, for example, I have created one sample Scrum project. Don't worry about it. This will going to create by your product owner. Okay, for the product backlog. Then developer team can create the sprint backlog, and you can see the backlog here. Okay, this is the example I'm going to show you. Okay, if once you get it done with all these sprint items, then you can click on complete sprint. Okay, then this is the product backlog, and this is your sprint backlog, which is running sprint items. Those are sprint backlog. You can go ahead and pick up one by one. Okay, and you can see the assignee names as well here. Okay, and this is the product backlog. Once sprint gets completed, you can create a new sprint, that is create sprint. Okay, you can create some issues as well. Otherwise, put the sprint name and put whatever you want, just drag and put it under this sprint 3. Okay, then you can, once you will get completed with this sprint, you can start with this sprint. Okay, you will get the other options as well, delete sprint and edit sprint, but you won't get it. Okay, because it's having access by the product owner. Okay, otherwise by mistakenly, if it will get deleted, then it, your project will get in trouble. Okay, so other than that, you will get the reports tab, where you will get a number of reports. Okay, burn up chart, burn down chart, sprint report, the velocity chart. Okay, those charts we can go ahead and use while showing our weekly report or monthly report to the stakeholder and the product owner. Okay, so this is all about the Jira tool which you are going to work while working on the, you are going to use while working on as the Scrum Master. Okay, so product backlog will get created by product owner with the goals. Okay, business goals, and after that product backlog, the developers will going to create the sprint backlog, but we are going to also create the user stories. Those are user stories, right? Let me show you in the backlog. Okay, what exactly the user stories. This is the backlog user story he is going to create. Okay, this is the description, actions, and those many things. Okay, once you click on this, once you click on one of the item, it will get listed here. And if you copy the link and put it, you will get the overall details. That is, this is the title, then the description, and about that user story you have to mention, the acceptance criteria you have to mention, then you will get the comments, history, work log here. Okay, other than that, here other details it will show, that assignee, reportee, the story points also, you will get it, because under estimation tool we are going to like planning poker and the t-shirt sizing. You will get the story point as well, so we are going to mention here the priority. You should mention like medium, small, and but this is not the job of Scrum Master. We are just viewing this board backlog so that we can get to know what is going on with this sprint. Okay, so everything will get it done with developer team and the product owner. Okay, so don't worry about it. You have to keep eye on these all items. Just that's it, your job. Okay, so while doing this, you should know the backlog and the reports, these two tabs. Okay, because Scrum Master going to create, or a product manager, not the product owner, okay, project manager or Scrum Master will going to create this weekly report and monthly report and going to present, right, on the behalf of team. But the developer team should be available on that meeting. Okay, so this is all about the Jira. Just go through with free plan of Jira for the practicing purpose and get it right up.